2026 Audi Q5 SUV teased, debuts September 2nd. The final ICE-powered generation of the Audi Q5 is nearly upon us. Audi's new Q5 teaser reveals a wider grille and sharper headlights ahead of its debut. The 2026 Q5 will feature an updated design, including a sportier rear and tech-rich interior. Expected in Europe by year's end, the Q5 will likely reach North America as a 2026 model. The Audi Q5 has represented the success of Audi for more than 15 years, said CEO Gernot Dollner. With the third generation of our most successful SUV, we will now begin rejuvenating our SUV portfolio with efficient combustion engine models and hybrid versions. The Audi Q5 is set for a major overhaul, with the next generation currently going through the very last stages of development. Earlier spy shots captured the prototype in the Scandinavian winter, revealing less camouflage and a new grille design. Since March 2022, our photographers have caught glimpses of the last ICE-powered Audi Q5, but the latest prototype is the most revealing. The new, wider single-frame grille sports a chain-style pattern, potentially exclusive to certain trims. The grille's openings are notably larger compared to the refreshed Audi Q8, though many are blocked for aerodynamic efficiency. A closer look at the front also reveals the elongated shape of the headlights, which are slimmer and more aggressive than before. Audi designers took a safer approach for the rest of the bodywork that doesn't deviate much from the norm. The rear shoulders appear to be more pronounced than before, giving the SUV a sportier stance in combination with the angrier face and the more sculpted tail. Earlier spy shots of the interior showed a rather large freestanding infotainment display joined by a smaller digital instrument cluster. It is safe to assume that the new generation will receive a boost in technology, with the latest features in terms of connectivity, safety, and comfort. The new Audi Q5 will ride on an improved version of the current generation's MLB architecture. The latter will be shared with the low-slung A5 sedan and estate models, which are set to replace the current A4. The same applies to the powertrain lineup that is expected to focus on more efficient mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid units, crowned by the performance-focused SQ5. Furthermore, buyers in Europe will likely have access to diesel options, with the 2.0 TDI making its last appearance. Audi has not yet announced a specific launch date for the new Q5, but it is expected to arrive in European dealerships by the end of the year. North American availability is anticipated for spring 2025, likely as a 2026 model year. The new Q5 will be followed by the sleeker, but less practical, Sportback version with a distinctive sloping roofline.
Mm-hmm.